Okay, now we have our house, we have our garage modeled. Now we just have to model the porch. And the reason we do the porch is this, if you ever do any like solar shading, that porch roof is going to shade it. And also you might like put solar panels on the roof or something like that. So let's talk about the best way to do that. Um, so you can see our porch here is 25 feet wide. It comes off of that corner there, and then it's 6 feet deep. So let's go ahead and draw that in on SketchUp. I'm just going to use the line tool, and it comes off the first floor there. So we're going to draw a line out on axis 25 feet. Or I'm sorry, I screwed it up, 6 feet. It's only 6 feet deep. So let's undo that. 6 feet. And now we got to go 25 the other way. And then we'll come back in from this point on axis. Okay, so that's our garage floor basically. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy that up until it gets to the top of the wall, because the garage roof is going to line up with the house roof. So let me go ahead and grab that or highlight that plane, and then I'm going to use my copy command, not the move command, and I'm going to hit control to make a new copy. And I'm going to put another copy up on the roof. So that's kind of like the ceiling of the porch, if you wanted to call it that. And now what I'm going to do is now we can leave off the columns and the beams and everything, but if we wanted to draw like what the beams would look like, just so that it looks a little bit more like a porch, we can come in here, draw 6 inches, because it's going to be about 6 inches wide. So there's my end point. Then I come out here, and if it's 5'6", because what was it? Was it 6 feet deep? Was it 5? Yeah, it was 6 feet deep. So we're going to come out 5'6". 5'6". So this is going to be 24 feet. And then we're going to come back here. Now if I take this and say my porch beam's only a foot deep, I'll just take that and I'll hit my push-pull tool, hit my control, and I'll come down 12 inches. Now if I wanted to, I could draw some little columns in here and extrude them up till that. So like I could draw, I don't think there's really a need to do it, but let's just say we wanted to draw 2 corner columns at the corner that are holding up our beam. We don't have to draw all 4 of them. Let's just draw 2 of them just to show you how it's done. Because they're not going to impact the energy model at all. So we're going to go like that, and then we're going to type in 6, comma 6, and we'll do another one at the other corner. And then we'll just push pull them up until they hit our beam up here. And we'll do the same thing at the other corner. And just like we did with the garage, let's put the porch on a tag, so in case Josh wants you to turn it off. So I'm kind of getting myself lined up. I'm drawing a window like that, so I'm highlighting all of that. I'm going to make myself a tag. It's going to call it porch. And now since I've got those all highlighted, I'm going to tag those as porch. And then as you can see, I can turn that off if I ever decide I wanted to turn off the porch. So I can turn it on, and I can turn it off. Okay, that's enough for this video. Next one is the last, and we will draw a roof on this, and then we'll be done.